Mustafa Regai. What is NDC for sa de John Mama Basa 2024. Yan ko to Abamano. Na dia na work afa ho.
Na John Mama baby. Dum so John Mama na say John Mama for baby. Ai, in the gala for agini we are ampa we mo.
One kasa currency. Sa wo go boys. Any fra manfo eba beje. So at yase e ton no srani abasa. Usika no obetena ho.
Of course not.
Would the money stay?
I live in America.
You are
here.
spoiling your own currency. And you people try to
here,
twist this thing
bro.
to make it look sad. The president said something bad.
Bro,
Usika one can sue you as
American tarnishing their own country or say anything bad about
never. You will never see them do that.
You will never see anybody.
You will never see America do that. Some question Uncle Bronze, Uncle Chucha got one so and fan say I have you in New York. Japan won't say
we are not patriotic, man. We are not patriotic, bro. We your problem. I'm telling you, man. We have a long way to go.
Okay? Fact is fact. Okokan na chairman pokwasi interchange. Chairman, yen na ye ni ho. And a kufu adu aban ba ye. Omuko renegotiate ye. Eye bibi afoforo say now instead of 3 no away 2 tier yan 3 or 4 tier.
Exactly.
Isn't that it is us? It took 36 months for it to be built. So 36 months, no, not your mama on your president to say, hey, mama project.
I know.
How?
John Muhammad de Kotubu so yes, because he wanted to chop
how?
the money.
Like I still don't get it.
As usual, he wanted to chop the money. Me say he does that. He went and negotiate for that money to do something. But then he want to chop the money. That guy he's a criminal, bro. John Muhammad, a criminal. Ghanaians, guys, you guys should wake up. Wake up, I'm enjoying my life.
Chairman, JM no, or be papa or the Bama Ghana or America. Yamisano, and then okay. One can 4 years is too small to make any change. Isn't that what he said? He said the 4 years is too small to make any change. And this is for Mumabumi, and Yamina Mekan, the continent America. Meaning, way.
Because
he is indeed Ojanfunu.
The guy is
he is indeed Ojanfunu. He knows why he said he's Ojanfunu.
Every time this guy come out to speak, be not so bomb, but then
the
Jimmy said, when a Kufodu speaker, you can't even make a joke out of it because he always speaks sense. Yes,
sense.
When this guy speaks, I know you didn't tell me, when a Kufodu speaks, Master, who even put your joke out of it? Now you call this a president. We say, hey, you guys should bring him to Bollywood, boy, where he's from. No, Uncle D president or Ghana.
We are balling for Bram when your papa. Now, when I say, I about me, I go balling one. Mese bole for pano, bole bamboy for say we disappoint you. Now if you say gidi no person oba na keden kan ko person oba.
Say see me who you be almost say after 2024 no, he should kill up our own kuno. They don't care. Nothing is in the cartel no. Almost up our own kuno.
Chairman, listen me idea way. Minti bi da. Me chairman minti bi da say. Ye ni na ye kan. Terminal report any kan. What's it?
See me trebi wa ha. I don't know.
Oh, Chichabi Nyashi, maybe Chichabi Nyashi, Chichabi Mame, Chichabi Mame. But China one and near Champon, a Champon, you could check you to the campus yourself. We are going to be on campus yourself. But man, let's get serious. This girl is out there talking about we are shifting the goalpost. Let somebody tell her, say, the reason why we are shifting the goalpost because when JM and his Atamils picked up the government, some more running on. Not cement here 9 CD. Chairman, almost some of this publication now. Not cement here 9 CD. Almost not cement at 31 CD in the city and 35 CD at the outskirts.
Yes.
Yes. Or by fan the single digit to your chairman. 9 CD. Or buy not cement 9 CD. Oko baby at 8 CD. Oban cryer 8 CD. Okwa bontia 9 CD 10. One yana kesia 10 CD.
Yeah.
And or the back or the back 35 cedi and san no free wako. Oba ye na sabi sika do ana ya boy ka ya bona ye 9 billion. Oh, free so near them over 125, 135 billion because when we did the rebates, we saw say a place like Commander Sugar Factory chairman, they told us it was $32 million. It's a lie. Now you're $35 million by Alan Tremantin, the trade minister, gave us the breakdown. So what you say? Mokwa couple Sikanko American was 116 billion. Last year, yes, I'm asking.
Yeah.
Chairman, yes, I'm asking. 116 billion. And all this also. Now, Obi. Nya 20 obi abeboka 21 billion wo se wa oboka 116 billion no wo mo wa ya de chi obi awoboka 21 billion and now your 116 billion in the chi no you still have to close government programs. You still couldn't pay workers, you still couldn't keep the lights on, you still couldn't do any of this. What are you telling me?
You don't care.
I'm telling you, sir, me see NDC there ya be four parties, a be ye kakra nsa when you see as our party we be free.
Common chalk, schools. Common chalk.
I'm telling you.
So
okay, I'm telling you,
we know how I say no, you're better management of the economy than a Kufad. Wait.
Chairman, me so asem. Chairman, can you me so asem? Chairman, can you me so asem?
Yes.
Chairman, change. 2016, Mahama was trying to get a re-election, right?
Yes.
Then the economy why didn't he run based on the economy? Did you see them talking about our economy is good in 2016?
They
never
talk about the economy, bro. You know what
the only thing they talk about is infrastructure came. And I'm real.
Yes.
No, we say infrastructure came. Why didn't they talk about the economy?
They never talk about economy, bro. They don't even have
because chairman, they have me say NDC has no moral right to talk about the economy in Ghana. Chairman, listen to me. Their best financial minister was Dufour, and even his record doesn't match anywhere close to what Kenuforiata has done. Chairman, we were in 2016 when NDC said JM to us, so they never said say our economy is this. All they kept saying was what?
JM to us, that's it.
Hey, JM boss, JM boss, or call parliament, and then okay. Economy, our economy is resilient. And now, Muriafi economy. Ghana for Mamun Koduma reference you na NDC for where you are that. Ghana for men who reference you NDC for where Sister Cynthia ya woman da. Mama Larissa mutu mkrofo for Mama Alice mutu amfo Sister Evelyn. Money Ghana for you kaso na dia we 2008 omo be ye bi kire
because if you see you're ready,
these people are economically they are bankrupt.
We go to Ghana. You make Ghana for your campaign, big time.
Chairman, these people economically they are bankrupt. Inteyane biti makuma, eya makuma ya say, and then Mahama to me general kase on the economy your best. Look at the children who are serving you. They look like finger fish under you. Under your flourishing economy, who economy and who economy and no look at the same break of my yamo medianendi. In Kramamba, in Fian, as a crack, Kramaya, Wawa Yaman and Bianendi.